Welcome, everyone. All right, today, briefly, we'll be looking at how to trade double top, how to trade double top effectively. Okay. Now, many a times, when traders just see a double top, they just enter into the market and start selling. That is not the best. Like I told us, it is safer to be a conservative trader. When I mean conservative trader, or you always wait for the structure to be broken and retested. That is a conservative trader. Anyone that breaks and did not retest, let it go. It is better and safer not to be on a trade than to be on a wrong trade. It is better and safer not to be on a trade than to be on the wrong trade. Like I told us when I was trading inverted head and shoulder pattern, how to trade it and the concept. I told us that chart patterns is all about break and retest, break of structure, retest. That is just it. It's just that it happens in different form, and this form is what we call chart pattern. So indirectly and directly, every chart pattern is just break of structure and retest. That's the summary. So you don't need to break your head about any other thing. Just know that break of structure, retest, then you enter into the market. Now, this is double top. Now, if you check, there's a structure here. You don't enter the trade here because the market can get to this place, come down a little bit, and continue going to the upward, hitting your stop. You don't trade it here because it can do the same thing. But the safest place to trade this is waiting for the support break, retest, then you join the trend. Like I told us, every chart pattern is just break of structure and retest. And this is the safest place to join this market because your stop loss should be here. Now, before you enter a trade, you need to ask yourself, where is my stop loss placement? Where is the most logical place? If you entered here, where are you going to put your stop loss? If you enter here, where are you going to put your stop loss? But if you join the trend here, your stop loss can just be below this. Then you target 1:2, 1:1.5 is also fair. The least you should go is 1:1. The most reasonable place to put your stop loss is just below. Now, what are the reasons why it is not safe to enter from this place? There's no logical place to put your stop. The same thing here. But if this structure is broken, retested, now the market has formed a lower high. This is a lower high, which means your stop loss can be at the previous low. Okay, let me say this quickly. If you don't see a lower high, never enter a sell trade. If you don't see a higher low, never enter a buy trade. What does it mean? If there is no low behind that, okay, let me put it this way. Lower high. Now, if there is no structure behind to put your stop, don't enter the trade. Like, for example, this two, there's nothing behind it that is logical enough to place your stop. There's none. So that is why always wait for the market to form a lower high before you sell. Always wait for the market to form a higher low before you buy. No matter how big the candle is, no matter how bullish it is, no matter what, always wait for this to form before you buy or you sell. It will help you to dodge all the noise, all the manipulation, all the ups and downs. You'll be able to dodge them and escape them. Okay, so now let's look at the chart. Now, if you see, now this is top 1, this is top 2. You get it? This is the structure. This is the break of the structure. This is the retest. This is the retest. And this is your entry. You get it? Like I told us, the highest I advise you to target is 1:2. Yeah. Your entry targets 1:2. 1:2 is fair. Now, okay. This 1:3, but 1:2 is fair. Now, like I told us, try not to target more than 1:2 so that at least you are certain that the market is going to hit your stop loss, your take profits, than to target 1:6, most especially for retail traders who don't trade long term. You have to focus on 1:3 is fair, but me, I target just 1:2. If your accuracy is high, you will still be very much profitable. So that is why it's always advisable to wait for the high and the low of the structure to be broken and retest so that you can escape all the noise and the manipulation in the market. It will make your accuracy to be high. Now, this is can you see it? The same break of structure retest. You can see it. Break, retest. And the same move. No, though some persons will call this triple top. Fine, wherever you call it, it's fine. But what I'm trying to say is that it's all about break of structure and retest. Break of structure and retest. This is it. Break of structure, retest. So this is how you trade double top. You wait for the structure to be broken and retested. You don't just enter because you are seeing a double top. Yes, some persons will say, I want to enter early. But it is safer because not all the time you see a double top, the market respects it. Sometimes you see a double top, the market will push a little bit higher and stop you at. And continue going downward. So always wait for the structure to be broken and retested. Wait for the structure to be retested. Okay, we'll see treat other patterns, though we have treated most of them. Just scroll through the channel for those videos. All right, thank you very much. I don't want to make this video longer than this. No, we always keep it short. We go straight to the point. We remove the noise. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If you find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for tips in future. Feel free to stick around for some of my other videos that you may be interested in. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.